Today we are making some shortbread pecan cookies. They are gluten-free, delicious, and so easy to make. Let's do it. Welcome to Spicy Latina Mom. I teach you how to cook Mexican healthy food, and today these shortbread cookies are amazing. In Mexico, do you know that pecans are actually original from Mexico with a lot of pecans? We actually don't have walnuts, so most of our recipes with desserts are made with pecans. So let's begin. I'm gonna add the almond flour. If you don't have almond flour, don't worry, just use baking flour. That just will make just well. And now we're gonna add this sugar substitute. You can use the sugar substitute that you prefer, whatever your doctor recommends. I'm gonna show you over here a few sugar substitutes that are better for baking. Now let's add some baking powder, salt, and now it's time to add our moisture ingredients. I have over here coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make sure to stir well all the ingredients. Now, look, this is the consistency. This is shortbread cookies, so they crumble. This is normal. And we're gonna put it over here, and we're gonna cover it with some plastic just to put in the freezer for about 3 hours, or if you can, overnight. Press to hold all this together, and now let's cover up. My dog stayed in the fridge for about 3 hours, and this is ready. You want it to be, look, this is kind of hard, you want it to be like that, and we're gonna put it over a batch wax paper so we can just unfold it and make our cookies. If it breaks, it's totally normal. Just push it together and it sticks together again. Okay, I'm finished with all my dough, and this goes to the oven, 180 centigrados, 360 Fahrenheit. My cookies are ready. Don't worry, if you touch them when you take them off, they are gonna fall apart. They are very crumbled, so if you touch them, they fall apart, but don't worry, just leave them there for another 15 minutes just to dry over and to cool down, and they're gonna be over. I put it over this rack so they can get air from everywhere, and they just become solid like this, and I let you know how this tastes. This is delicious. The thing, remember, even when this is made in a healthy way, it has a lot of calories still because you are eating almond flour, so be careful with the portions. Just like you're feeling like something sweet, just have 2 cookies and that's it. Kids and everyone else just can have it as much as they want, but if you're like me that have trouble with the weight, just be careful with the portions. So I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel. If you speak Spanish, you can go to Las Recetas de Laura over here and subscribe for more than 500 healthy Mexican recipes. See you soon. See you next week, actually, and Sundays with the breakfast series. Blessings, bendiciones, and I see you next week.